In this tutorial, I'll teach you how to overlay an image onto a monitor and make it look as though it blends. So we'll first open the image of the monitor and the image that we're going to overlay. Now that we've opened both our images, we'll select the monitor, go to Filter, Vanishing Point, and now we'll draw the points at the edges of the screen. So let's draw them in right now. Just click at each of the corners. Now for this you want to be pretty accurate so that it'll look like it fits real well. And then now we'll click OK. We'll create a new layer, and now we'll go back to our other image, select all using Control A, Control C to copy it, and then now we'll go back into our vanishing point and we'll just paste it, and we can just drag it and put your mouse into the center of that box, and now it's overlaid. And now what you want to do is select this right here, which is Transform tool, and you can scale this image. We'll scale it down, and we'll do this until it fits inside of the monitor. So we need to keep going a little more. So you'll want to align the top left corner, and then we'll just drag this out. Now we'll just click OK, and now we have the image there. Now we'll want to duplicate this layer by right-clicking and selecting Duplicate Layer. Click OK. Now we'll select everything, and then with the magic wand right here, and then we'll right-click and select Inverse. Now we'll just delete this on the upper layer. We'll select Gradient tool, and you want to set it up as this, so white to transparent. And so you want the white on the left side, so drag it like this. So now you should end up with something like this. You'll change the opacity to 50 and the fill to 50, and then we'll just deselect that. So now it kind of has that glazed look over it. Okay, now we'll go to the lower layer and right click on it, and then do blending options. Now we'll go to bevel and emboss. We'll check that, select it. Now we'll change this to emboss. Technique will be smooth. Depth will be 1. Direction will be down. And the size will be 0. And for the lighting, I was messing around with it earlier to get an exact look for the certain image. So I ended up with 172 and 11. This will be different for different images, and you'll have to move it around and see what looks best. And you want to check anti-aliasing right here, and the highlight mode should be overlay. So now you'll click OK. As you can see, the edges are still slightly jagged, so in order to fix this, we'll use the eraser tool, and we'll just go along the edge very carefully, and we'll just delete it. So you can click one point, hold shift, and click the second point, and I'll make a straight line. And we'll do this along each of the edges. Okay, now you'll do the same on the gradient layer. And now we're done. So this is how it should look, and it looks blended in and overlaid.